Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge tracks in Audacity. So let's get started. Open your Audacity project containing the tracks you want to merge. Ensure the tracks you wish to combine are in the desired sequence or order. Click and drag to highlight the multiple tracks you want to merge. Once the tracks are selected, go to the Tracks menu and click on Mix and Render to New Track. Audacity will combine the selected tracks into a single track while preserving their content and sequence. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.